This is me when I was 15 years old. In this old video, I am showing people my mango orchard. Many years have passed since then, but today I want to show you this special place once again. So let's explore it together. So we use this bamboo stick or bamboo pole to reach higher branches. I think this is the place where I had recorded that video. So as you can see, he is sucking the juice out of the mango. On this channel, you learn English through comprehensible input. I speak slow and clear so that beginners can understand easily. By watching these videos, you can improve your listening skills, learn new vocabularies, and become more confident and fluent in English in a very natural way. So as you can see, we are going to our mango orchard right now, and Ryan is going by bicycle. We are going on foot, and he is holding a bamboo stick, and I will show you that why do we need a bamboo stick while going to mango orchard. And you can see the scenery around this area. This is a road to go to the mango orchard and nearby fields. These are trees, as you can see, these are trees. Let me tell you, it is very hot here in India, in Uttar Pradesh. It is around 8 am in the morning, and it is somewhere around 40 degree right now. So as you can see, this is my mango orchard. Let me tell you, this is my favorite mango tree of this garden. The reason behind it, because the mangoes of this tree are very juicy. And let me go close to the tree. If I talk about the parts of the tree, the whole thick area, like the bottom of the tree, is called the trunk, and these are branches. So these are branches, and this is called trunk. And right now there are no mangoes on this tree because we have already picked all the mangoes from this tree. Let me tell you that on this tree the mangoes are ready to eat earlier than the other trees. So in the early season of mangoes, we come here and pick all the mangoes from this tree. Let me know in the comments that have you ever been to a mango orchard. If you haven't been to a mango orchard, you can come and join me. This is a fence, and this is required to separate both the areas. This is a field and this is mango orchard. So you can also call it a boundary or partition. So this belongs to someone else and this belongs to us. This is mango orchard and this is field. We also use a fence to protect the field from the animals. And can you tell me what do we call this in English? This is a tree stump. So the remaining part of a tree after cutting the tree is called tree stump, and these are grasses. And let me tell you, I used to come in this garden to practice my English. In 2018 or 2019, I used to spend time in this garden just for practicing English. So there was some application I used to talk on, like I don't remember those applications name, but yeah, I used to talk with strangers around the world just to practice my English. So as you can see right now, my brother is using a bamboo pole. So this is a bamboo pole, and he just picked a mango from a tree. So this is unripe so far, so this is not ready to eat. Actually most of the mangoes right now are not ready to eat yet, they are unripe. So we will put these mangoes in a hot place so that they can get ripe and are ready to eat. This is a ripe mango. So do you want this mango?
Yes.
Okay. So he is eating the mango by sucking the juice out of it.
Very tasty.
Do you like this mango?
Yes.
So now I am going to climb on the tree. I am climbing on the tree right now. and I want to pluck that mango. Let's see if I can. Okay, so now I'm going to pluck this mango. I just plucked this mango. That was buy one get one free mango. Okay. Okay, so what do you think? Can I jump from here? Matlu, what do you think? Can I jump from here?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to jump. I jumped from the tree. So we use this bamboo stick or bamboo pole to reach higher branches. We can either climb up the tree or use a bamboo pole to reach higher branches, but we generally prefer to use a bamboo stick rather than climbing on the tree because the branches are not that strong. They can also break while climbing on it. And Rihan is also trying to reach the higher branches, but can you reach, Rihan? Yes? Okay, so I don't think he can reach up those branches. So I think now Rian will pick the mangoes from the ground. So now Rian, have you picked all the mangoes from the ground? So he is now picking, or you can say collecting the mangoes from the ground and putting in this bag. So what do you think? Can I put this mango into the bag by just... Oh, I failed. So Ryan, can you put the mango just throwing from here in the bag? He also failed. He also failed. So right now I have 3 clod of soil, and let's see. Matlub, can you knock that mango down using 3 clod of soil?
Yes, I can.
Okay, you can try. So he is going to knock that mango with these clod of soil. Okay. Good job, Matlu. Can you spot the ants here? They are like very, very dangerous. Their bite is very painful, so we need to be careful when we try to pick the mangoes from the tree. They are really, oh my god, so they are really dangerous. And this is a dry leaf, so there are so many of them. I think this is the place where I had recorded that video that I had shown you in the beginning of the video, and I was walking here. I don't remember exactly what I was saying in that video. I had removed the clip of voice. I put a BGM background music in that video, but this is the place where I had recorded that video. I don't know how the time has passed. It's been around 6 or 7 years, or maybe 8 years. I don't remember exactly, but yeah. And let me also tell you, this is also a boundary. This might not be visible, but this belongs to someone else and this belongs to us. So in this one garden, as you can see, the whole garden is divided into 3 parts. Okay, so 3 peoples on this garden. So you can also see a train is passing by. There is a track for trains. So now we are going. Ryan has already left. He is always in a hurry to reach home. He is going by bicycle, and I and my brother, so we are going on foot. You can also see this is a pond and it is dry now. This is the whole area. That is my garden. This is road, and this is a pond, and these are fields around this area. So this was our mango orchard vlog. I hope you enjoyed this vlog and learned something new in English. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel.